Hey everyone, Andrew here with RCBS. Today, we're unboxing our brand new Rock Chucker Supreme Elite Kit, our most advanced reloading kit yet, and the ultimate way to get started in hand loading.
Here's Fred entering his office reloading area with a line of RCBS dies. Modern equipment like this makes it possible for RCBS to turn out precision-eared equipment.
When we designed this kit, we focused on giving reloaders everything they need and nothing they don't. No filler tools, no fluff. Just the gear you'll actually use every time you reload, focusing on the right equipment needed for years to come. At the center of it all is the legendary Rock Chucker Supreme single-stage press, known for strength, reliability, and smooth operation. Next is the Chargemaster Link, our cutting-edge electronic powder dispenser with Bluetooth connectivity and app support for precision powder dispensing and measurement. You'll also get an accessory base plate, universal hand priming tool, universal case loading block, stainless steel dial caliper, Deburr and Chamfer tool, powder funnel, case slick, Hex Key Set, Pow'r puller kit for any mistakes, accessory handle, and a full set of case prep brushes. This isn't a starter kit you'll outgrow in 6 months. With the Chargemaster and Rock Chucker, you're already working with flagship tools trusted by experienced hand loaders worldwide. We've also included the latest Hodgdon annual manual, so you can load confidently with trusted data from the start. If you're serious about getting into reloading, skip the upgrade cycle and start with the tools you'll use for life. The Rock Chucker Supreme Elite Kit is the best value, highest quality kit you can pick up, and offers any new reloader solid savings over buying each of these tools separately. The Rock Chucker Supreme Elite Kit, everything you need and nothing you don't. For more, visit rcbs.com or your local dealer.